Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare YouTube Vanced versus ReVanced Extended. YouTube Vanced was a beloved modified client, offering an ad-free experience, background playback, and more. However, its development ceased. ReVanced Extended emerged as its spiritual successor, built by the community to continue providing these essential features and even introduce new ones, ensuring users can still enjoy an enhanced YouTube experience without the official app's limitations or intrusive advertisements. Let's dive into the feature showdown. Both offer excellent ad blocking, background playback, and picture-in-picture functionality, allowing you to multitask seamlessly. ReVanced Extended often includes more advanced features like Sponsor Block, which skips sponsored segments, and extensive user interface customization options. This gives users greater control over their viewing experience, tailoring it precisely to their preferences, a significant advantage for many. Regarding installation and maintenance, Vanced's setup was once simple, but it no longer receives updates. ReVanced Extended, however, requires a patching process using the ReVanced Manager application. While this might seem slightly more involved initially, it ensures regular updates and community-driven support. This active development keeps the application current, functional, and secure, adapting to changes in YouTube's platform and providing ongoing enhancements. Finally, let's evaluate performance and stability. While Vanced was stable for its operational period, ReVanced Extended benefits from continuous development, actively addressing bugs, and improving overall performance. Both aim for efficient resource usage, including battery and data. ReVanced Extended's active community often means quicker fixes and optimizations, leading to a more refined and reliable user experience, ensuring smooth playback and consistent functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.